Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home place or residence where you live, inshallah, Ameen. I'm your teacher, Ms. Sobia Nas from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan campuses and Johar campus. This is your English subject of class 9 and today we will discuss poem of your book, The Daffodils. Basically it's a category of flower. Let's start the discussion about the poem. Who wrote the poem, The Daffodils? Write few lines about the poet. The poem, The Daffodils, is written by William Wordsworth, and he was English poet. He is also called the poet of nature. ठीक है, why he is called poet of nature? Because he observed nature really well, and he was desiring all the time to observe the beauty of the nature. From his early days, he was fond of enjoying the beautiful nature scenes. Okay? Since his early days, from the very beginning, he always fond of enjoying the beautiful nature scenes. Except enjoying the artificial scenes, he enjoyed a lot the nature of the beauty of the nature which is present around him. He started new kind of poetry. After then he started new kind of poetry written in simple words about nature objects. Okay, with that kind of mentality or thinking, what is that is of observing nature, beauty of the nature, natural things. He started new poetry and in simple words about the nature objects and simple country people. And when and where did the poet see the golden daffodils? One day the poet William Wordsworth was wandering, walking along here and there without purpose. The day when he was walking alone here and there without any reason, his attention suddenly attracted towards the golden daffodils which were growing near the lake under the trees. Okay? They were countless in numbers. We cannot, or the poet cannot count it. The golden daffodils, they were shining brightly like the stars in the galaxy. While looking at the daffodils, he was lost. After the sight or looking at the daffodils, he totally lost his mind and lost in the beauty of those golden daffodils which are in thousands countless. How did the daffodils appear to the poet William Wordsworth? Now, as you all did, that the poet suddenly saw the bunch of daffodils, or we can saw the thousands of daffodils. Now, how those daffodils appeared to the poem William Wordsworth? The poet saw 10,000 flowers at a glance. Okay? Full line of flowers, they stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. Okay? That means he can see flowers long away, never-ending line of flowers. He cannot imagine that where the flowers will end. He called the flowers golden. Why he called the flowers golden? Because they were of bright yellow color. They were shining brightly like the stars in the sky. You can imagine that at the night when you are looking at the sky, the stars are shining brightly. He compared that these golden daffodils were shining brightly like the stars. How did the poet describe the flower? The daffodil is a lovely flower of yellow golden color. Okay? What did the poet feel while looking at the daffodils? ठीक है, what was the feeling of the poet while looking at the daffodils? The sight of the daffodils brought a great wealth to the poet. You know that this is not necessary to be happy with lots of money, a kind of thing. Some of the people feels wealthy. Some of the people feels very good while they have entered to the beauty of the nature, to the poet. Okay, it was the wealth of pleasure. How it feels wealthy in terms of pleasure, that what a beautiful scene he observed that day. What happens to the poet when he lies on his couch? When the poet lies on his couch, the sight of those daffodils comes before his eyes. Okay? When he was lying on his couch, suddenly the sight of daffodils come before his eyes. Then his heart fills with pleasure and makes him happy. This beautiful scene of the golden or yellow golden daffodils makes or fills his heart with pleasure and makes him happy. So this scene is blessing in his loneliness. What are the modes of the poet mentioned in the poem The Daffodils? The poet is in vacant and pensive mood. It means that he is in confusion, that of thoughtless and thoughtful mood. Somehow he thought that maybe he is in thoughtless mood, or suddenly he thought that he is in thoughtful mood. I hope you all understand the topic really well. Till your next recorded class, take care. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.